You too. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. What's up, baby? God damn. Hold on. Yo, now it's OD dark right there. Just a little bit. What's up with it, man? It's been a little minute. I know. We're not gonna talk about that right now. Right now, I'm in the H. Later on, we're gonna talk about the vibes. We're gonna talk about what's going on. All this shit like that later, though. Later. We ain't on that type of timing right now. Right now, I'm about to pack my bag. I'm about to go to a coffee shop and I'm about to go edit some videos. I got some videos I gotta edit. Hope you guys are doing well, though. You feel me? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope all is good with y'all, man. Hope y'all staying blessed, you feel me? And yeah, we out. I feel like you meant everything you said to me. Alright, chat. We're trying a matcha for the first time. I got 2 different cameras going. That's why I'm looking at 2 different places. We are at the Coffee Garden in Houston, Texas. Alright, let's see. I can't lie, that shit kind of good. Okay, I see it. All right, Tube, we are going to my boy's crib because we about to go bowling. I didn't get to finish the video, but it's all good. We about to go to my boy's crib. And yeah, we about to just vibe, you feel me? Because if you follow me on short form, you know where I've been, man. I've been deployed. I've been overseas, whatnot. And I go back in a little bit. I go back on the 13th of December. I'm just trying to make the best of it before I go back for another 3 months, man. I've been gone for 6 months, but we're going to talk about all that later. Right now, we out. I might be a little matcha boy now. Yeah, Dave and Buster's. I'm about to put a belt to ass in bowling. No bullshit. And I need a beer. Maybe even 5. Come on. Maybe even 5. Yo, Jaren's looking OD trim though. No bullshit. Show them steppers though. Watch how you about to get hit. Show me them steppers, nigga. Come on. We gotta stomp somebody out. I'm calling you. You heard me?
What the f? That tall ass nigga.
No. You got them steppers on. Bowling was closed for another 15 minutes. So you know where we at with it. We got a hazy IPA for the vibes. I'm not driving, so we good. What we got? We got 15 minutes. I'll probably have like 2 of these. 2 of these in 15 minutes? Maybe just one. Maybe just one. What that is?
Like a bad bitch after 3.
Fruity ass drink. You a bad bitch, ain't you? Yeah, I know. We still waiting for a bowling, or we still waiting for a lane. I'm on number 2 right now. No bullshit. We vibing. Jaren got some water for the vibes.
How many beers does it take for you to get drunk?
How many beers?
I feel like it's a lot, no?
If I'm drinking like straight Corona,
Yeah.
probably like 6 or 7.
8, 9.
Grown ass man, by the way. Grown ass man. Hair on your nuts, hair on your chin. Grown type shit.
Whole lot of dick out. Like a lot. Like I'm wet as fuck.
You wet? You wet?
All that. Hey, you look me up and down.
Look, they finished. We might be up.
Oh.
Yo, come on, first bowl. Man, that motherfucker heavy. We here with it right now. Oh no, that motherfucker going. That motherfucker going, I can't lie. Drink number 3, Long Island shit.
Hell yeah.
Yo, chat, I need some hookah. This for the squad right here. Okay. What I do, you hear me? This is the final score right here. I got 77. I'm at the bottom of the barrel, no bullshit. Pre-game interview, game 2. I already got 10 on the board. This for y'all, this for the gang, this for the hoodlums. Y'all already know what it is, man. I'm about to win this game. PNB Rock won the last one, but we gonna win this one. I ain't playing with them boys, man. Come on. Watch how I do. I'm gonna make this one spin. Watch. Watch. Let me get right here real quick. Hey, I'm still up. Last bowl of the night. I'm down 20. I need a strike right now. I need a spare. If I get a spare, I'm good. If I get a spare, I'm good. Bro, what? Yo, they hold me. They hold me. I can't lie, they hold me. I thought that was the last bowl, but it wasn't. Now this is the last bowl. Last bowl of the night. I'm down 18. Last bowl of the night. I lost by whatever the fuck the math come up to. I lost, that's all that matters. We're done, bro, we out. What's the word, man? I kinda need a cut. What's the word, man? Yo, what's up, tube? So today is, today's December 21st. I recorded this December 6th. It's been a little minute, no bullshit. If you follow me on short forms and shit, you kind of know that I've been away for the last like 6.5 months now. Early June, I deployed. Right now, I have like 2 months left, 2.5 months. I got to the beginning of March and then I said I'm done, I'm out. It's kind of why I've been away, but that's not even an excuse because even when I was home, I wasn't really hopping on the tube and shit. But being here, you know, like I've kind of been brainstorming what I want to do when I get back. Bro, I'm trying to take this shit to the moon, I can't lie. Like I got till July 2027 in the Army. I have from March to July to figure it the fuck out. I'm trying to get out and do this shit full time. Like this is what I want to do. I don't want to resign. I'm not trying to stay in the Army no more. Like I'll be at damn near 10 years in July of 2027 when it's time to get out. I don't want to do another 10 years to 20 years to retire. Like I'm done. I'm trying to call it quits. So I got from March 2026 to July 2027 to put belt to ass, go crazy so I can get out comfortably, financially, mentally, professionally, whatever the fuck you want to call it, and do what I gotta do, you feel me? I've had so much time to think here. I just want to put belt to ass when I get back when it comes to this shit right here, bro. Like, I'm just trying to go crazy. This is gonna be my only video until I get back. And yeah, there ain't nothing else to it for real. If y'all want to see MTV Cribs, I got y'all. Look, MTV Cribs. This is my bed. Little 20 AC shit. And my little shit right here, my closets, my fridge. Yeah, there ain't no window in here. It's all good. It's temporary. And yeah, there's nothing else to it. I've been yapping for 4.5 minutes, so I love y'all, man. If you watch it to the end of this video, you're a real one. I can't lie. If you watch to the end of this, you're a real one. Yeah, there ain't nothing else to it, man. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.